the Honorable Julius Kimomi Matwere, Member of County Assembly representing Manyamatuta Ward.
I move a motion that this County Assembly debates and approves the removal of Honorable Amos Nyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, from office by way of impeachment on the following grounds. 1. Gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya and other laws. And 2. Abuse of office. I move. I stand before you today not out of malice but out of a solemn and reverent duty to the people of Nyamira County. I am here because the very foundations of devolution, painstakingly laid by our Constitution, are under relentless and calculated assault. Whereas Article 174 and 175 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 provides for the objects of devolution and principles of devolved government. Mr. Speaker, whereas the Constitution of Kenya 2010 Article 181(1) provides for the removal of a county governor from office on grounds of gross violation of the Constitution or any other law, abuse of office or gross misconduct, or if there are reasonable grounds to believe that the county governor has committed a crime under national or international law, and whereas Section 33 of the County Governance Act 2012 further elaborates the procedure and grounds for the removal of a county governor, aware that the standing orders of the County Assembly of Nyamira and the standing orders of the Senate provide the procedural framework for such a motion, cognizant of the fact that all state officers are required to act within and in accordance with the Constitution and laws, exercise authority and perform public functions with respect and honor, be accountable to the public for their decisions and actions, and use public funds in accordance with the Constitution and the law.
Report on the removal of Honorable Amos Nyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, from office by way of impeachment. I now lay it.